Welcome to FTCC's virtual open house, and thank you for your interest in Fayetteville Technical Community College, where we proudly serve the needs of our community through educational opportunities for everyone.
Thank you for attending today. We're pleased you're considering FTCC as your college of choice to advance your education. Our goal is to meet you where you are and take you as far as you aspire to go in reaching your personal and career goals. To help you get started on that journey, our FTCC recruiters will provide information to assist you in making informed decisions that will put you on a path towards success. Good luck.
Hey guys, I'm Reed.
And I'm Angela.
And we're your FTCC recruiters.
Firstly, thank you for joining us today. We're excited that you've decided to let Fayetteville Technical Community College be a part of your academic journey and future to success.
Our goal today is to welcome you to FTCC and help you start your semester off without a hitch.
We will first start off with some facts about our school, followed by providing you with a checklist on how to get started. Okay, so let's jump right on in.
Some of the most commonly asked questions are, what is a community college? And why would I not just attend a four-year school?
Well, Trojans, those are both great questions. So first, what is a community college? Well, community colleges offer two-year associate degrees that are designed to get people into the workforce quickly with highly marketable skills. And isn't that what everyone wants? To be successful and get a great job in the competitive workplace?
Another benefit is that we offer a quality education at a fraction of the cost of a four-year school. Did you know that you can get a two-year degree for only approximately $4,000 plus books and supplies? Four-year schools will cost anywhere from $20,000 to $50,000 a year.
So why don't students just attend a four-year school? Well, put simply, not everyone needs to go to a four-year school. For instance, you can get your nursing degree in just 2 years and a welding diploma in just 1.
For students that need to attend a four-year institution, they can do so by participating in one of our 2+2 programs. Our 2+2 program is when you complete your first 2 years of school at FTCC and then transfer to a four-year school to complete your last 2 years. This means you will have saved around $36,000.
Lastly, did you know that we offer over 280 programs? It doesn't stop there. We also offer athletics, free tutoring for our students, and so much more. FTCC offers a vibrant, well-rounded college experience.
Many students also ask how to get started.
To help you with that, we'd like to provide you with the following checklist that will walk you through the admissions process.
Whether you are a new or returning student, we encourage you to meet with one of our admissions counselors or success coaches. They are located in the Tony Rand Student Center on our main campus and are waiting to assist you in choosing the right degree pathway.
You can contact our admissions counselors or our success coaches at the links below.
The Tony Rand Student Center is open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
After you decide which degree pathway you would like to pursue, you will complete the application process in a few simple steps.
The first of these steps is to complete your residency determination online at the link below.
The second step is to complete a free online application on the CFNC website.
Lastly, all students pursuing a degree at FTCC must submit official transcripts, including high school, college, and/or military transcripts. Students should contact their high school or college and request their transcripts be sent by email to the links below.
If you're not a college graduate, we must have your official high school transcript, GED, or adult high school diploma to process your financial aid. High school transcript GPAs are used to determine placement.
Placement assessments are also determined based off of college English and math grades of a C or higher.
Lastly, but not least, don't forget to complete the FAFSA. Here's the link for that.
Active duty students should contact their TA representative at the link below.
For questions about VA benefits, please email them at this link.
For My CAA inquiries, please email them at the link below.
Financial aid questions should be directed to our financial aid office. You can contact them through the email address below.
Please keep in mind that we are here to help. You can reach us at 910-678-8473 or through our online portals.
For more information and to remain updated about FTCC, please visit us on our website.
Thank you for taking the time to participate in our virtual open house. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And don't forget to check out our YouTube channel for more informative videos.
We look forward to seeing you at FTCC.